Welcome back to eCreativeAid! How to make the most delicious pistachio baklava. First, we need to grind pistachios in a food processor until it's fine powder. We also need ghee or butter. Then unpackage the filo dough and cover it with a towel to keep it soft. Melt the ghee or butter in the microwave. Then start spreading the melted ghee on the dough like so. Cover the dough with pistachios. Then start rolling one sheet of filo dough like so using a wooden dowel. When the sheet is finished, push it from both sides to make a wrinkle. Then slide it in the baking pan. Preheat the oven and continue to make the baklava until the baking pan is filled. Drizzle the leftover ghee on the baklava. Then bake it in the oven until golden brown. Take it out of the oven when it's done and drizzle sugar syrup. Then sprinkle some pistachios and cut them like so. And this is it. They are ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.